Hi guys and girls on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. We've got a real quick one here. It's a Menumaster microwave oven. I'll give you the model number. It is RFS518TS. Now when you plug this in, it's showing an error code, and if you look on the internet for what the code means, there's a lot of rubbish talked. People are saying hold down key number 3 for 5 seconds, that resets it. Absolute rubbish. So let me just, the reason this is on a trolley is I'm still having problems with my back. I've had to get a friend of mine to lift it on this trolley so I can actually wheel it about. I can't really put it on my bench because it's difficult getting it there. So let's just plug it in and see what happens. Right, so here we go. Let's plug it in. That's plugged in. If you open the door, you'll find the blower motor starts, the light comes on. Let's just shut the door. It says ready, and then if we just wait now, it's come up with an error code E10. We can still open the door, shut the door. The blower motor will stop on its own after about 30 seconds. We can't do anything, no buttons will do anything. It's just locked in at error code E10. So let me just show you how to diagnose it, and I'll show you what we need. That's all you need to know really. I've got a bit of light on. If you look around here, what we need to do is we need to unplug this keypad. Let me just see if I can do that on the camera. That's it. Unplug the keypad there, and now we'll just try it again. Right, so here we go. Let's plug it in again. Do what we did before. Open the door, shut the door. It says ready. And if you just wait now, it will carry on saying ready. It will just stay like that. There's no error code come up. So the fault, of course, is the keypad itself. Now that's the easy bit. Diagnosing that is easy. Whether the customer has this done, that's a totally different matter, and let me just show you why. So what would you pay for a new keypad? Well, on a domestic oven, on a cheap one, might be £30–40. On a NEF it might be £70–80. Obviously for a commercial microwave you pay a bit more money, because all spares for commercials are a bit more money. But let's have a look at this. This is a real eye-opener, and I very much doubt the customer's going to even have this done. So there's your keypad there, and it is £297.41 including VAT. So that's £300 before I even put a little bit of labour on. Now I know these commercial microwaves are very expensive to buy, but this is a few years old. So I mean, if I just say to the customer it's going to be £330, it's very, very unlikely, I would have thought, he's going to even consider this. But anyway, there we go. That's the video. Menumaster RFS518, error code E10 is the keyboard that's faulty, and you can just diagnose that by unplugging it, and the E10 error will go away. Alright guys and girls on YouTube, many thanks for watching my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one then. Goodbye.